Hey guys, we got the Woodlawn Beach boat ramp dock completed today. I wasn't able to get by there today to get some video, but my general manager stopped by and snapped some pictures for me, so I'm going to go ahead and get those posted so y'all can see exactly what it looks like. We're lacking the white piling caps for the poles. They're on order right now, but the boat ramp's open, ready to use. We are actually a month ahead of schedule on this project. Pretty impressed with the guys that worked on this, getting it knocked out to get you guys back in the water and using a boat ramp. And as I described in previous videos, this is Thro-Flow decking. No splinters, cool to the feet, allows the storm surge to shoot up through it without tearing it up. Also is great for the seagrass and marine life below it, allows the light to penetrate. We've got 3 step down areas on this dock, one for loading your boat, one for swimming on the opposing side, and another one on the back side of the platform also. Here's a new feature to the boat ramp, a handicap accessible area. Hey y'all, if you hadn't done it already, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. We post all kind of videos of work we do. Hit the notification bell. Thanks.